Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today we are going to solve one very interesting cube root challenge. It is cube root of 3 plus 11 times cube root of 56 plus 10 root 32. So let's get started by considering given expression as E first, and this cube root I will consider it is A, capital A. So I can write our expression as cube root of 3 plus 11A. Now let us consider A separately. So I will be writing A as cube root of 56 plus 10 root 32. Now I can write 32 as 16 times 2. So root of 32 will be root of 16 times 2. Using property, we can split square root as square root 16 times square root 2. This is 4 root 2. So I will be writing here cube root 56 plus 10 times, this is 4 root 2, which is further equal to 56 plus 40 root 2. Now I will write this cube root as 8 is common. So we can write 8 times 7 plus 5 root 2. Now using the same property, square root AB or nth root AB is equal to nth root A times nth root B. So I can split these two numbers. So let me write cube root 8 times cube root 7 plus 5 square root 2. This is A. Cube root 8 is 2 times cube root. Now I can split 7 as 6 plus 1 and 5 root 2 we can write as 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. After rearranging the numbers, I can write 2 cube root. I will be writing 2 cube root 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3 square root 2. Now it is equal to 2 times cube root. Now I will be writing 2 root 2 as root 2 whole cube. 1 we can write as 1 cube. 6 is 3a square b. So I will be writing root 2 square times 1, and this 3 root 2 we can write 3ab square. A b square. Now this is one identity. Let me write here. It is a cube plus b cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square. We know that this identity is a plus b whole cube. So I will be writing a as a equal to 2 times cube root of root 2 plus 1 whole cube. Now cube root and cube will be over. So our expression a is converting into 2 times root 2 plus 1. Now let's put this value in our expression e. I will write e equal to, it was cube root 3 plus 11a. So I will be writing here cube root 3 plus 11 times 2 times square root 2 plus 1. Now I will expand cube root 3 plus 22 root 2 plus 1. Further I will expand. I will write 3 plus 22 root 2 plus 22, which is equal to cube root 3 plus 22, 25 plus 22 root 2. Now I can write 22 as cube root 25 plus 11 times 2 square root 2. Now this 2 I can write cube root 25 plus 11 times this 2 I will be writing root 4 root 2. Now I can write 25 plus 11 root 8 cube root 25 plus 11 square root 8. This is our expression E so far. Now let us split. 25 we will be writing as 24 plus 1, and 11 root 8 we can write 8 root 8 plus 3 root 8. Now I will consider cube root 24 plus 1. This we can consider as square root 8 whole cube. The last term here I can consider this is 3 square root 8 times 1 square. Consider this 1 as 1 cube, and if you will see this term, this is 3 root 8 square times 1. Let me write in the appropriate order. So I will arrange E equal to cube root 8 whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 24 it is. So I will be writing 3 times root 8 square times 1, and last term is 3 square root 8, which we will write in this way. Now you can see again it is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here I am going to write a plus b whole cube. So it is square root 8 plus 1 whole cube inside this cube root. This is our E. Let me write. So E will be equal to cube root of square root 8 plus 1 whole cube. Now we can cancel cube and cube root. So E will become square root 8 plus 1. Now we can write square root 4 times 2 plus 1. Again using property we can write square root 4 square root 2 plus 1. Square root 4 is 2. So our ultimate answer is 2 root 2 plus 1 is the simplified form of the answer. And this brings the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.